So guys, for the first method, make sure that you have not pressed on the game mode key on your keyboard. Your keyboard may have a key called the game mode key. In my case, I use this keyboard right here, the Logitech G213. And right here is the game mode key. So if I select this key, the light is going to turn on here, and the Windows button will not be working for me. So I need to click on the Windows key, and then the light will disappear, which will now fix the Windows key problem. Your keyboard may also have a key that's similar to this one. So make sure you have this key turned off. If that's still not working, for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. Now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your keyboard comes with a software like my one does, you want to click on your keyboard, and then click on settings. Make sure that your firmware is fully up to date for your software. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix keyboard problems. Click on it, and then click on next. You want to run this. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. See if that works for you. For the last method, you just want to restart your computer, unplug your keyboard and then plug it back in again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.